talking about holidays today, so why don't celebrate Elephant Day with a broken elephant?
That's an elephant. Come here.
Yes.
Yeah, you see the elephant? It's an elephant. Okay. Cocktail time, and it's the holiday season. This is the best time of year because, 2020 is almost over.
Exactly. I can't wait for 2021.
Yes, 2021 is just around the corner, and it's the time of year where you get a cup of chili and you sit out by the fire pit, or you get something like a nice warm beverage or a cocktail that makes you warm, and you sit by the fireplace with your loved ones and you just wrap yourself in blankets and you just enjoy being together and having a nice beverage in your hand. So we're making an Applejack Old Fashioned. And I know what you're thinking. What the heck is Applejack? Applejack is like a whiskey, but with apples in it. I don't know. It's made from apples. It's similar to whiskey. It's fantastic. I have Laird's Applejack. You can get Applejack at like any large liquor store. So at a like a Bevmo or like Total Wine, basically where you're gonna have a large variety of stuff. What are you doing? So for an old fashioned, it's just spirits, sugar, water, and bitters, right? So we're gonna do the Applejack. We're gonna put our bitters in there, and we're gonna put maple syrup instead of sugar water. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna start with, and this is an old fashioned, so we build this in the glass. So let's get some ice. I got some ice. I got some. This ice is a little. Let's put some ice in there. That's good, right? That's ice. So we're going to start with 2 ounces of our Applejack. Got 2 ounces of Applejack. Oh, it smells. It's like an apple brandy almost. Oh, it smells so good. And then we're going to do. You could do 2 to 4 dashes of Angostura Bitters, probably about 3. But I'm going to mix it up. I'm going to go 2 of Angostura and 2 of Orange Bitters, just to help bring that holiday. I don't know. Those mixing flavors is good. This is sun. So we're going to do 2 dashes of Angostura.
Elephant holiday. Save the elephants.
2 dashes of Angostura Bitters, 2 dashes of Orange Bitters, and now we need a ½ ounce of maple syrup. Ooh, yeah, there we go. ½ ounce of maple syrup. And we're going to stir this in the glass. Make sure it's well combined. And, cold. Give me another couple of seconds. I'm not very good at this. Okay. And then we're going to garnish this with an orange peel. Like you would normally with an old fashioned. But then we're also going to put in a cinnamon stick just to help add to that nose. That's the Applejack Old Fashioned. Oh. Crap, this might be like my new go-to Christmas drink. And this is so good. It's this. Go make this right now. Holy moly. Oh, that is. Yes, it's sweet, it's bright, it's refreshing. It's like it's got the orange and the cinnamon. Really, like it's just like reminds you of cranberry sauce, and it reminds you of just like apple pie, and having this in front of the fire. Oh my goodness, that would be the absolute best thing. So please go ahead and make this video, like this video, share it with your friends, because everyone needs to have this. And if you like these videos, please go ahead and subscribe, and you'll know when I send these things out. I'm doing them on a bi-weekly basis, that kind of thing. But anyway, yeah, definitely try the Applejack Old Fashioned. I think people who aren't even a fan of Old Fashions will like this. It's a very approachable and a fantastic holiday cocktail. See you later. Oh, and remember, Elephant Day happens around here too. I just don't know when.